Good morning everybody. Today we are going to telling about the history of Amer Fort. The Amer Fort, situated in Amber, 11 km from Jaipur, is one of the most famous forts of Rajasthan. Amer originally was the capital of the state before Jaipur. It is an old fort built in 1592 by Raja Man Singh. This fort is also very popularly known as the Amer Palace. The Amer Fort was built in red sandstone and marble, and the Mahavat Lake adds a certain charm to the entire fort. Though the fort is quite old and may even look so from the outside, it is beautiful on the inside and boasts of various buildings of prominence like the Diwani Am, the Sheesh Mahal, and even the Sukh Mahal. The Amer Fort has influences of both Hindu and Muslim architectures. This fort also has the Sila Devi temple and the Ganesh Pole, which is a gate that leads to the private palaces of the kings. The Amer Fort has many pavilions and halls of great interest and other popular attractions. Now we know about the history of the fort. Amer was once known as Dhundhar and was ruled by the Kuchwahas from the 11th to the 16th century. Until the capital was moved from here to Jaipur, Raja Man Singh built this fort in 1592 AD, and Raja Jai Singh first expanded and renovated it later. While many such old structures have been either destroyed or replaced by other things, this fort has stood against all the tests of time and invasions. Now we know about the architectural layout. The structure has 4 different parts, each with a separate entrance. The main entry to the fort is through the Suraj Pole or Sun Gate, which opens up into the main courtyard. This east-facing gate is also the main entrance to the palace, and its position with respect to the rising sun is the source of its name. The Jalebi Chowk is one of the 4 courtyards of the Amer Palace. The Sila Devi temple is right at the entrance to the main palace grounds. The second courtyard is famous for its Diwani Am public audience hall, the Sheesh Mahal and the Sukh Mahal. A very famous attraction here is the magic flower, a fresco carved out of marble. We know about the nearby tourist attractions, the Jagat Fort, the Arauli Hills and Vijaygarh. The Amer Fort Palace is a beautiful structure that was built by Raja Man Singh in the 16th century. Don't forget to check out the Sheesh Mahal, Diwani Am and Sukh Mahal also. The fort is a 10-minute walk uphill, and your little trek will be worth of the wonders that it offers. Don't miss the Royal Elephant ride while you are at it. Thank you.